Dear students, it's Iqbal Message to the Youth, Unit 2, Class 9th English book. You know, Iqbal is the thinker of Pakistan. He was the person who basically started the theory, the thinking, the background behind the making of Pakistan. He is known as the national poet of Pakistan because his poetry is sublime and everyone feels very close to religion and to Pakistan due to his poetry. I'll start reading. Pre-reading में the things that are included are Iqbal wants to see the qualities of an eagle, Shaheen, in his young nation. What are the qualities of an eagle that make it superior to the other birds? Now I'll start reading and then start explaining along with it. Iqbal's message to the youth. Now here is Iqbal का पैगाम नौजवानों के नाम. Iqbal is one of the most outstanding Muslim poets and philosophers of the Indian subcontinent. His intellectual genius has reigned supreme in the area of Islamic philosophy during the 20th century and will direct and influence the Islamic intellectual tradition in the 21st century as well. His sublime poetry and philosophy inspired millions of Muslims to wake up to the reality of dying and forge a destiny for themselves. He was very much aware of the fact that if youth of the Ummah had structured their real destiny, then they could have led the Muslims of the subcontinent out of the pit of subjugation. Pit is gada, गहराई में गिरना, earlier than they did. Pit of subjugation is आप जब बुराई की तरफ बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं तो एक गहराई सी होती है. When you come out of it, that is when brightness and light is seen. Light is always positivity. Young generation is the standard bearer of any nation. Now, over here the writer means that when new generation, new children come out, they learn new things, and young generation is a standard bearer. That is where our entire nation depends on the young generation. If their energy is channelized in proper direction, it can bring a sea of change in the social, political and economic fabric of the nation. Keeping this view in mind, Iqbal focused on the creative energy of the youth in his poetry. मोहब्बत मुझे उन जवानों से है सितारों पर जो डालते हैं कमर. Iqbal's नौजवान is मर्द मोमिन, मुजाहिद, शाहीन, an explorer, an adventurer and seer, whose aim is going higher and deeper like eagle, Shaheen, to explore new world in uncharted waters of creativity and intellectual pursuit. The youth of Iqbal is a strong believer in ishq, a creative and dynamic energy that helps the youth to discover and subdue new stars of originality and individuality. Moreover, Iqbal's Naujawan is the man of Khudi. The absolute Khudi is infinitely creative. Know thyself and success shall be thine. आप अपने आप को पहचाने तो कामयाबी आपकी होगी. Iqbal expresses, if man becomes emperor of himself, then he can lead the world in his own direction. And such a person can find out with his sagacity the pearl of future for the coming generation. वही है साहिब अमरोज़ जिसने अपनी हिम्मत से ज़माने के समुंदर से निकाला गौहर फरदा. But the youth of Iqbal is not contented with what he has created or invented. The spirit of ishq, another name for perpetual struggle, spurs him to go beyond the star that he has discovered with his foresight. The motive of Iqbal's youth is to pursue his intellectual and spiritual goals and then continue his journey beyond these goals. हर एक मुकाम से आगे मुकाम है तेरा, हयात ज़ौक़ सफ़र के सिवा कुछ और नहीं. The life of Iqbal's youth is dynamic and not confined to limited material achievement and enjoyment of it. He enjoys the creative journey of exploration, discovery, inventions and innovations. वही जहाँ है तेरा जिसको तू करे पैदा, ये संग खश्त नहीं जो तेरी निगाह में है. The youth of Iqbal is a seer and he soars from his discovered star to new nova of brilliance and inspiration. सितारों से आगे जहाँ और भी हैं, अभी इश्क के इम्तिहान और भी हैं. These are the views of Iqbal about the youth of the nation. Iqbal wants to set higher benchmark for the new generation. He wants to include in them the spirit of innovation and discovery, because youth are to lead and take the nation to the height of self-sufficiency and independence. The youth of Iqbal is not a thinking Hamlet, but a man of action. mild in speech but enthusiastic in action. Whether he is in the battlefield or in the company of friends, he is pure in head and heart. Naramdam guftagu, garamdam justaju. Zaram ho ya bazam ho, pak dil pak baz. It can be concluded that youth was the main focus of Iqbal. He declares youth a symbol of hope and future of the nation. If young generation is ready to contribute to the progress and prosperity of the Ummah, the day is not far off when the whole Muslim community will rise as a mighty power which no nation of the world will be able to subdue. Now the words and meanings. Exploration, the act of traveling through a place in order to find out something about it or look for something in it. Innovation, the introduction of new things, ideas or ways of doing something. Invention, the ability to have new and interesting ideas. Hamlet, a character from Shakespearean play who would take too much time in thinking before taking an action. Perpetual, continuing for a long period of time without interruption. Foresight, the ability to predict what is likely to happen and to use this to prepare for the future. Enthusiastic, feeling or showing a lot of excitement and interest about somebody or something. Emperor, the ruler of an empire. Die, an English word that means your. Forge, to put a lot of effort into making something successful or strong so that it will last. Brilliance, intense brightness of light, exceptional talent or intelligence. Nova, a star showing a sudden large increase in brightness and then suddenly returning to its original state. Inspiration, a sudden, brilliant or timely idea.